Hi!
Guys, welcome to Naturallygreen. Here we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 types of vermiculite. We will go inside from the back. I will show you the vermiculite and how it's made in our factory. It's a very hot day today, despite which we are here for you, our wonderful viewers, to the place where raw material for vermiculite is mined and processed. See, this is the bauxite ore, which is relatively heavy for its size. This is the bauxite ore, which is a sedimentary rock with high aluminium contents. Vermiculite helps to aerate soil while simultaneously retaining water and nutrients, which it then releases over time. I will take you inside the factory, where we have 4 grades of vermiculite. Come. Let's go inside. This is the factory where we have 4 types. This is the first grade. This is second. And we have third and fourth. This is the processed vermiculite ore. Vermiculite has many features, including avoiding the compaction of soil. This here is the unprocessed pure form of the bauxite ore. This powdering is due to breakage while unloading. All these are the packed goods for the customers. I will show you the grade 2, grade 3, and grade 4. This is grade 2. Vermiculite is useful in seed sowing and propagation. This is the processed grade 2, which has just come out of the processor. It can also be added to houseplant compost. This is the processing unit where the raw material is powdered and processed for easy and complete usage. It's a crusher which is basically used for vermiculite and rock phosphate. I will show you the other grade downstairs. We had recently processed it. We had crushed this some time back. It's the crushed and powdered form. We leave it outside to dry. I will show you the next stages how we make it. So here we are. These are racks which we use for drying. So after the crushing I showed you right now, we get it here. We dry it out by spreading it across this large area, where it dries naturally under the sun, which reduces the moisture content to a large extent. This is the churner which separates the larger pieces, leaving the powdered form at the bottom. This is the grade 1 of the vermiculite. We make the most ideal form for potting mixes. The material is loaded into the hopper and the churner turns sieving the vermiculite. This is the back of the churner where the larger particles are left out. This is the grade 4 of the vermiculite. This can also be sent back to the crusher along with the next batch. Thanks for watching guys, like, share and subscribe to our channel. For further notifications of our videos, hit the bell icon.